Hi. So we're at a different table. Weigo was Connell's playing the game. Look. Look. So go different colors. Even if you put a cup. Connor, give my coffee cup. Look. Look. See how it turned a different color? Watch. Watch. Connor, press over there. Look. Look. It's on the table that we're eating. Cooter. We were sitting at the other table right by the Look. Connor. Show Connor. Connor, do you curry? Don't do that, you're gonna spill your drink.
So how do you use that?
They change colors. Look, you see it?